Welcome to AutoCAD Designing. This is the SolidWorks 3D modeling, exercise number 39. We make this 3D model in minimum and simple steps. Let's start. Start the part modeling. We will make a 3D model help of this diagram. At the start, we will select the right side plane for sketch. We make this base plate profile and this support plate profile. Then extrude them according to given dimensions. We make circular profile on this face and extrude this. Then make holes for cutout. Fillet the required edges and complete the 3D model. Let's start modeling. Select the right side plane for the sketch. We make this base profile. Take a center rectangle tool. Start draw from the origin. Enter the dimensions 18 mm width and 56 mm length of the rectangle. Now this time take corner rectangle tool and draw approximate on the bottom line. Like this. Enter the dimensions 6 mm width and 32 mm length of the rectangle. We have a dimension from the edge is 12 mm. Take Smart Dimensions tool and set dimension between these vertical lines, 12 mm. Our base profile is completed. Now we make this support profile. Take line tool and draw line from this corner point. Draw approximately inclined line, like this. Then draw straight horizontally to the right side, 36 mm. Then draw straight vertically to downside, 25 mm. Continue draw straight horizontally to the left side, 18 mm. Then draw line up to this corner point. Make sure we draw line with correct dimensions. Now we have to set this 100 mm dimension. Take Smart Dimension tool and set the dimension between these two vertical lines, 100 mm. Now set the height dimension between bottom line and this top horizontal line, 63 mm. Our second profile is done. Go to Feature tab and select Extrude Boss tool. First, we extrude this base profile to both direction of mid-plane. Select this profile. Drop down the Direction 1 option and select the mid-plane. Enter the 75 mm extrude value. Confirm the preview and click on OK. Select the sketch one from this extrude feature. Now we extrude this support profile with the mid-plane option. Take Extrude tool and select this remaining profile. Once select mid-plane option and enter 12 mm extrude value. See the preview and click on OK. Now we draw this cylindrical profile. Select this face for sketch. Take Circle tool and draw from this midpoint of the line. Give the diameter 36 mm. Go to Feature tab and select Extrude Boss tool. Reverse the extrude direction as we required. Enter the extrude value 25 mm. Confirm the preview and click on OK. Now we make these holes. Select this profile for sketch. Take Circle tool and draw circle with the same center of this cylinder. Diameter 22 mm. These small holes are placed middle of the base. Draw 12 diameter circle with the help of midpoint tracking. Similarly, draw a circle of 12 diameter to another side. Take Smart Dimension tool and set dimension between this edge and circle, 15 mm. Similarly, set dimension for another circle. Go to Feature tab and select Extrude Cut tool. Drop down the Direction 1 option and select Through All. Make sure object profile cut properly. See the preview and click on OK. Take filleting tool and take approximate radius value 2.5. And select the filleting edges as shown in diagram. Our 3D model is completed. Apply any appearance for this model. I hope all steps are you understood. Keep practice to make this model. If you have any questions, so comment to me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next exercise video. Have a nice day.